Sometimes YouTube algorithm give you a surprise. That one video that keep popping on your recommendations and seems to like haunt you and want you to click on it. At first we might find it random. Sometimes we ask ourselves why we even click on this. But right video coming just in the right time. Most of the time it's out from nowhere and varies in form. Meaning it can be a fast clip about people talking, or some music, or some art, but I would like to highlight that this thing mostly bring inspiration to people to keep going. It doesn't have an exact formula, but whatever the kind of video it is, it attracts people, triggering people to comments, and that make accumulation to the algorithm ends up pushed to your home dashboard. A video that came from 3 years, 5 years, even 10 years ago can suddenly show up at your alley. That's what the upside of this YouTube algorithm thing. It can be a simple entertainment for you, but then evolve into some other thing. Sometimes the kind of video can make a trend, make people gather, share things, and far more beyond that. Make a community, even more be the reasons of something. Like for example, vaporwave and city pop in music back in circa 2015. Or maybe things like Taya 777, a video that later became a safe space for so many people during pandemic. A channel got struck and the video is gone, and soon people trying to re-upload the same video. But the comment section that consists around more than 70,000 comments will never be recovered again. All the small pieces that you may not realize now, suddenly you can't find it anymore, only to realize later that it meant something. So if this video finds you and you watch it up until this point, I just want you to be alive. You can comment whatever you want in the comment sections. Whether you have a bad day or a good day, it doesn't really matter. But I hope you can be a little more care about each other, at least in the comment sections of this video.
Sunset. 太陽が沈んでいきます。君も今沈んでるって言ったよね。ふざけんじゃねえよ。この太陽と君の気持ちは違うぞ。太陽はね、今から一度沈んで新たな思いでやってくるから沈んでいくんじゃねえか。沈んだままだろ君は。起き上がらなきゃ大丈夫。なぜなら君は太陽だから。